If you clicked on the title of this video, you probably understand what's hidden in here. Now, this wasn't through the post or anything. I bought this locally. I just decided to, well, I had it wrapped up in the store. Anyway, let's get to unwrapping it. Okay, another thing I can cross off my bucket list without. So, yeah, I love being able to do this sort of stuff. It's at this point I realised that I completely forgot something. And there we go. Now, my question is, why did the guy at the store rip the sticker off? I really don't know. But it really irritated me. That and also being ignored for a good, what, like 10 minutes? I mean, it was maybe close to more like 4 or 5, but God, there was like barely anyone in the store, and it was almost impossible to get a hold of someone. Honestly, there really wasn't that much in the way of customers neither. Oh, these stickers are annoying. Alright, that's off. Okay, so now I've got my Game Boy camera up. And you know what? I'm going to grab this. I really need to get some more of those cotton buds. So with the Game Boy camera, the photos I could find during a quick Google search wasn't really that much. And oh, I can see what the guy meant at the store. That is dusty. Alright, so clean that and BRB for a sec. Alright, I'm back. Don't ask me where I got this from, because I honestly can't recall. I've had it for years. It is a camera cleaning kit. It is something cheap. Can you see inside there now? Yeah, it's still dirty. I mean, whoever had this before definitely didn't know how to take care of it. Alright, so I'm going to get in there and give it a good spray. Actually, how's that looking? Ooh, that looks a lot better now. Alright. What summertime is, especially when you got hay fever and asthma. Wow, that is a metallic sticker they used. Wish Nintendo a little bit more like that with everything else, but oh well. Okay, so I have to go AFK again just for a sec. Okay, so I moved a few things around and sort of, yeah. Anyway, what I'll do is first off put this stuff away. I've probably not touched that in about 5 years. Goes to show what happens when you hoard stuff. Well, sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's really bad. Now, I don't think I want to take apart this, but I will take this apart because I want to see the actual inside of it. then I just realized something. I want to fire this up. So now it's still okay, just to confirm that it works. Oh wow, that is so terrible. Can you see the quality of that? I'll try to get this in there. Wow, you can barely see anything on it. Cotton swab. Okay, so we can confirm that that works. As for getting the printer for one of these things, if I could get it really cheap and it works, yeah. As for going out and spending like full $100 and something on it, yeah, for the printer, no. No. I am not wasting that much amount of money. The printer I could see useful. There is a third-party like emulator printer that puts it straight into it. Yes, I could see buying myself that, but oh hello, we have a battery. That could cause a problem, especially down the track. I feel better about that now. Alright. So the camera itself is detachable, which we should be able to do here. And that is the logic board, which I'm going to give a quick clean. Just so you know, I just got this from the shop, so it's like, alright, I'm going to endeavour to take a close-up photo with this now, so hold up. Alright, and with those photos taken, so we do have a battery here. Now, the question is, I seriously wonder how that edit's going to look. So put this up to DC voltage. Negative, positive. About 3 volts. Good, battery's still good. That is very good news. So, looking at this, I want to take a guess as to what does what. Now I'm going to assume that this has some kind of time function on it, and hopefully blah. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I don't want to forget those. I really need to think these videos out before I do anything. Alright. Ooh, actually this will give me a chance to give it a clean under here. Tell you what, if I can get myself a second one of these at like the $15, $20 mark from the same store, I'll pull this apart. But for now, what I would like to do is to take color photos with this thing, and thanks to the 8-bit guy, I have a very good idea on how to do it. I also have a method of getting these off, so I can confirm that this is a good working unit. The only two things I'd be concerned about would be the battery here and this capacitor. That's it, the rest of it's like fine. So U3, U1, and U2. That's definitely going to be the interface. So this chip talks to this chip. This goes down to here. So brains of the outfit, this one in the center. That one, what do we got? Sharp. Not sure. Ooh, careful. I'm not particularly sure. I'll have to look up those part numbers. I'm curious what all the circuitry up here is for. Maybe it's just to drive the camera. Anyway, well, let's put this back together and see whether or not I just like wasted a... I really don't want to have wasted money. So the way this would go back in is like so. Yep. Good boy. I'm going to go on the side. It's going to go like something like that. So, we've got some housing down here. So it looks like it plunges in. So this goes down. And definitely not like that. That feels comfortable. There we go, got it. I really gotta stop being smart. Well, pretending to be smart. I bought literally the worst digital camera you could get your hands on. Well, pixel-wise. I mean, considering how old this thing is, it's what, like 99? It's still going, which is great. Probably. Yeah. And you might be thinking, well, if you bought a camera, how do you get your photos off? Because something like this, you just can't. I already have a device that allows me to dump the save and the ROM files, so I'm able to back up my own games and save files and make changes to them as I see fit. So in the sense of, well, you know, getting them off, it's just getting the software. I've got a way of transferring the information to a PC, so I ain't too concerned with that apple. Hopefully that doesn't get this video cancelled. Okay, so I definitely didn't break that. Wow. If you're used to gaming and like cameras for even nowadays, this is actually pretty intuitive. Oh. What I had to cut out was a photo of someone's child, so I will have to endeavour to go through and remove all the photos on this thing. But I have to admit, holding out to get my hands on this thing was definitely worth it. I like it. Ooh, you can see the light too. Sweet. I need to get a better light. You can even see my hair that's sticking up. I need to get another haircut. Well, anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Can I do it? Yibbity yibbita.